Data science, the art of turning data into actionable intelligence. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that combines mathematics, statistics, programming, and domain knowledge to extract meaningful insights from data. As organizations generate vast amounts of data every day, data science plays a critical role in helping businesses, governments, and researchers make informed decisions, solve complex problems, and predict future trends. At its core, data science involves the entire data lifecycle, including data collection, cleaning, analysis, visualization, and interpretation. The goal is not just to understand what happened in the past, but to use data to forecast what might happen in the future and recommend optimal actions. Key components of data science: data collection and processing. Raw data comes from multiple sources such as websites, mobile apps, sensors, social media, and transactional systems. Data scientists must gather and process this data, often using tools like Python, R, SQL, and cloud platforms, to make it usable for analysis. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. EDA involves examining data patterns, detecting anomalies, and generating visualizations to understand the dataset structure and key features. This step helps identify trends and correlations that may guide further analysis. Modeling and machine learning. Data scientists build predictive models using algorithms such as linear regression, decision trees, clustering, and neural networks. Machine learning enables systems to learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. Data visualization and communication. Insights are communicated through charts, dashboards, and reports using tools like Tableau, Power BI, or Matplotlib. Strong communication skills are essential to explain complex findings in a way that decision-makers can understand and act upon. Deployment and monitoring. In practical applications, models are deployed into production systems and monitored for performance and accuracy over time. This ensures that the solutions remain effective as new data becomes available. Applications of data science. Data science is applied in nearly every sector. Business. Optimize marketing campaigns, detect fraud, and improve customer experiences. Healthcare. Predict disease outbreaks, personalize treatments, and analyze patient records. Finance. Manage risks, forecast market trends, and detect anomalies in transactions. Transportation. Plan routes, reduce delays, and predict maintenance needs. Social media. Recommend content, detect fake news, and analyze user behavior. Why data science matters. In the age of big data, decisions based on intuition alone are no longer sufficient. Data science empowers organizations to make data-driven decisions, uncover hidden patterns and trends, improve efficiency and reduce costs, gain a competitive advantage. Challenges in data science. Despite its benefits, data science faces several challenges, including ensuring data quality and consistency, dealing with unstructured or incomplete data, maintaining privacy and security, bridging the gap between technical insights and business goals.